If Earth stopped spinning for just 10 seconds, everything would be thrown.
The collapse is silent. No explosion, no warning, no visible sign in the sky. Earth's magnetic field simply fails. For billions of years, it has stood between life and the sun, an invisible shield deflecting radiation, solar wind, and charged particles. When it vanishes, the planet is suddenly naked. Within seconds, satellites die. Not malfunction, die. Electronics fry as solar particles slam directly into circuitry. Communication drops mid-sentence. Navigation screens go black. Aircraft lose guidance systems simultaneously across the globe. Then the radiation arrives. High-energy particles pour into the upper atmosphere, ripping apart molecules. Ozone disintegrates in cascading chemical reactions. The sky glows faintly, not with auroras, but with atmospheric ionization so intense it turns the heavens sickly green and purple. At ground level, people feel it before they understand it. Skin tingles, metallic taste flood mouths, headaches explode instantly, pacemakers fail, medical implants malfunction, hospitals lose power as transformers overload and burn, the air becomes hostile, radiation penetrates deeper than ever before, DNA damage begins immediately, cells mutate mid-division, the most vulnerable, children, the elderly, pregnant women, collapse first. Sunlight itself becomes dangerous, laced with lethal energy, animals panic, birds drop from the sky in spirals, bees vanish almost instantly, their navigation systems destroyed, whales beach themselves en masse, their internal compass is screaming nonsense, entire herds of animals run blindly, smashing into terrain, each other, anything solid, the power grids ignite, currents surge through transmission lines never meant to carry geomagnetic storms unchecked, transformers explode, cities lose electricity not gradually, but violently, fireballs erupting at substations, plunging millions into darkness under a poisoned sky, the oceans react last. And worst, solar radiation heats the upper layers unevenly, triggering sudden thermal expansion. Massive pressure waves ripple beneath the surface. Methane trapped in seabeds destabilizes. Explosions erupt underwater, releasing plumes of gas that kill everything above them. People finally look up. The sun no longer looks warm. It looks close. 1 hour has barely begun. With the magnetic field gone, Earth becomes a target. Solar wind strips particles from the atmosphere itself. The planet begins to lose air, slowly, but measurably. Hydrogen escapes first. Then oxygen compounds. The sky thins at the edges. Radiation sickness spreads rapidly. Nausea, vomiting, burns without fire. Eyes fail as retinas absorb damage. Cancer cells seed themselves everywhere, silently, invisibly, in millions of bodies at once. Shelter becomes instinct. People flee indoors, underground, anywhere solid. Concrete and rock become life-saving barriers. Subway systems transform into mass refuges. Mines, basements, tunnels fill with terrified humanity. The military is blind. Radar fails. Communication is impossible. Nuclear arsenals automatically disengage safety protocols, unable to verify commands. The world teeters not on war, but on helplessness. Technology reverts decades in minutes. Anything unshielded is useless. Cars stall. Phones die permanently. Medical equipment fails unless manually isolated. Civilization's nervous system collapses. The atmosphere continues to glow. Auroras appear at the equator, violent and constant. Lightning erupts without storms. Static electricity dances across buildings and skin. Time stretches painfully. People count minutes by breath. Then, abruptly, the magnetic field snaps back, not smoothly, like a slammed door. The shield reforms, but damage remains. Satellites are gone forever. Space infrastructure is erased. GPS is history. Weather forecasting regresses overnight. Global shipping stumbles blind. The ozone layer is shredded. Ultraviolet radiation floods the surface for years afterward. Skin cancer rates explode. Crops fail under radiation stress. Entire ecosystems collapse from the base upward. Animals never fully recover. Bees remain rare. Birds migrate incorrectly. Marine life shows mass deformities. Extinction accelerates quietly, permanently. Human health enters a new era. Cancer becomes common. Fertility drops. Genetic mutations appear generations later. Medicine struggles to keep up with damage written invisibly into DNA during that 1 hour. Civilization retreats inward. Cities redesign themselves with radiation shelters. Underground living becomes normal in high-risk regions. Surface exposure is minimized during solar activity. The sun is no longer trusted. It is watched.
Humanity survives, but innocence is gone. Earth is no longer seen as self-protecting. It is fragile, surviving only because invisible systems continue functioning. The magnetic field becomes sacred, monitored relentlessly from thousands of sensors worldwide. Space exploration changes purpose, not conquest, protection. Humanity focuses on planetary defense, atmospheric preservation, magnetic reinforcement theories. The idea of artificial magnetospheres moves from science fiction to necessity. Culture darkens. The sky stops being romantic. Children are taught about radiation before constellations. The sun is respected, not worshipped. One are taught humanity something brutal. Life on Earth exists on borrowed protection. And every day the magnetic field holds is a day civilization is allowed to continue.